I'm going to crack these wheel nuts, and it just occurred to me that I'd like to vent my pain at one of my pet hates, and these wheel nuts will be fine because I've done them myself. That's it. That's all it should take to crack a wheel nut. Now, if it takes more than that, then they've been done up too tight. You go around and do each one. That's it. That's it. Now I can jack it up and I can spin them off. It shits me to tears when I try to change a wheel and my car's been at a garage or something and they put it on with a rattle gun, put the wheel on with a rattle gun. I got a flat tire with a van one time and I had to get the wheelbase on there and get a hammer to try and crack the wheel nuts on all 6 nuts to get the bloody wheel off to change the flat tire, and one of them snapped. One of the wheel studs snapped. And that was purely because the garage where I'd had the tire put on, and I won't name names, used a rattle gun with 1,000 million psi or whatever they put on the bloody things, and it was just way too tight. Guten tight, you know? Okay, let's do one up. That's it. You go around, get them to where they just basically stop. Once you've gone around 5 times, get on it, lean it. That's it. That's enough. Does not have to be any tighter than that. That's plenty. As I said, so if you're out there and you have a tyre shop or a garage and you put tyres and wheels on as part of your work, please don't do them up with a rattle gun set to 1,000,000 psi. Just yeah, rattle them up lightly, and then get a wheelbase out and just put them on with a wheel, tighten them up snug, Guten tight for the German cars, Guten tight with a wheel brace. That's all that's needed. Thank you.